Hello everyone, I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now we are going to see about cardiac cycle. What is cardiac cycle? The cardiac cycle is a series of pressure changes that takes place within the heart. This pressure changes results in the movement of blood through different chambers of the heart and the body as a whole. The cardiac cycle attributes to a comprehensive heartbeat from its production to the commencement of the next beat. It comprises diastole, the systole, and the intervening pause. The occurrence of a cardiac cycle is illustrated by a heart rate, which is naturally indicated as beats per minute. A healthy human heart beats 70 times per minute, which states that there are 72 cardiac cycles per minute. The cardiac cycle involves a complete contraction and relaxation of both the atria and ventricles, and the cycle lasts approximately 0.8 seconds. Cardiac cycle. First step is atrial contraction and next isovolumic isovolumetric contraction. Then ventricular contraction. Next ventricular ejection. Next isovolumic isovolumetric relaxation. Finally ventricular filling. Cardiac cycle physiology. The human heart consists of four chambers comprising left and right halves. Two upper chambers include left and right atria. Lower two chambers include right and left ventricles. The key function of the right ventricle is to pump deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary arteries and pulmonary trunk to the lungs, while the left ventricle is responsible for pumping newly oxygenated blood to the body through the aorta. Cardiac cycle phases. Following are the different phases that occurs in the cardiac cycle. Atrial diastole. In this stage, chambers of the heart are calmed, that is when the aorta valve and pulmonary artery closes and the atrioventricular valves open, thus causing chambers of the heart to relax. Atrial systole. At this phase, blood cells flow from atrium to ventricle, and at this period, atrium contract. Isovolumic contraction. At this stage, ventricles begin to contract. The atrioventricular valve and pulmonary arterial valves close, but there won't any transformation in volume. Ventricular ejection. Here, ventricles contract and emptying. Pulmonary artery and aortic valves close. Isovolumic relaxation. In this phase, no blood enters the ventricles and consequently pressure decreases, ventricles stop contraction and begin to relax. Now due to pressure in the aorta, pulmonary artery and aortic valve close. Ventricular filling stage. In this stage, blood flows from atria into the ventricles. It is altogether known as one stage, first and second stage. After that, there are three phases that involves the flow of blood to the pulmonary artery from ventricles. Cardiac output, isovolumic relaxation. In this phase, no blood enters the ventricles and consequently pressure decreases. Ventricles stop contracting and begin to relax. Now, due to pressure in the aorta, pulmonary artery and aortic valve close. Ventricular filling stage. In this stage, blood flows from atria into the ventricles. It is altogether known as one stage, that is first and second stage. After that, there are three phases that involve the flow of blood to the pulmonary artery from ventricles. Thank you.